Welcome to English Stories, where captivating tale becomes your pathway to English mastery. Immerse yourself in enchanting narratives designed to enhance your vocabulary and conversation skill. With our carefully crafted collection, learning English becomes enjoyable and effective. Mystery, romance, adventure, fantasy, we have stories for every taste and levels. Join our community of English learners where each story is a stepping stone to fluent conversation. Subscribe now and let the magic of English stories transform your English language journey. Once upon a time, in the bustling city of Mumbai lived Raj and Meera, a happily married couple. They had been together for several years and had a peaceful life without any major arguments or quarrels. However, they began to feel that their lives lacked excitement and spontaneity. They craved for some unexpected twists and turns that would add flavor to their otherwise ordinary routine. One sunny morning, as Raj was sipping his tea and Meera was reading the newspaper, they both shared a thought. Meera said, "Raj, don't you feel ever like our life is too predictable? We hardly have any surprises or adventures." Raj said, "Yes, you are right, Meera. I sometimes wonder if we are missing out on the excitement that others seems to experience. We need to spice things up." They decided to embark on a quest to bring some thrill into their lives. Little did they know that their quest would lead them on a series of hilarious and unpredictable adventures. The first adventure began when Raj stumbled upon an old treasure map while cleaning the attic. Excited, he showed it to Meera. Raj said, "Meera, look what I found. It's a treasure map. Let's follow it and see where it takes us." Meera saying laughingly, "Oh Raj, are you serious? Okay, let's give it a try. It could be fun." They set off on their treasure hunt, following clues and overcoming comical obstacles along the way, from mistaking a harmless cat for a ferocious beast to digging up the wrong spot. Their attempts were filled with laughter and unexpected surprises. During their second adventure, they decided to try their hand at cooking. Raj and Meera were both terrible cooks, but they saw it as an opportunity to laugh at their own culinary mishaps. From burnt dishes to strange flavor combinations, their kitchen turned into a comedy show, leaving them in fits of laughter. As their adventure continued, Raj and Meera found themselves in situations they never imagined. They joined a dance class and became the most amusing pair on the dance floor, attended a stand-up comedy show and ended up being part of the act, and even took a spontaneous road trip where they got lost and relied on their wits and humor to find their way back. Though it all, Raj and Meera realized that their real treasure was the laughter and joy they shared together. Their adventures taught them to appreciate the simple moments and find humor in every situation. They learned that life didn't always have to be grand and extravagant to be exciting. So, with hearts full of laughter and memories, Raj and Meera returned home, content in the knowledge that their lives were rich with love, humor, and the unexpected, and thus their ordinary life turned extraordinary, proving that true adventures can be found even in the simplest of moments. So friends, I hope you like the story. So if you like the story, please don't forget to hit the like button, share it to your friends, subscribe the channel, and now just wait for the vocabulary. Predictable, Purvānumānit, able to be foreseen or anticipated. Second word, excitement, matlab Uttejana, the state of being emotionally aroused or stimulated. Spontaneity, sahajta, the quality of being impulsive and unpredictable. Quest, matlab khoj, a search, pursue or adventure with a specific goal in mind. Treasure, treasure matlab khajana, a valuable or precious item. Clues, matlab sanket, hints or indications that help in solving a mystery or puzzle. Comical, hasya pradhan, funny or amusing in a way that provokes laughter. Culinary mishaps, matlab rasoi mein की गई गलतियाँ, mistakes or accidents that happen while cooking. Laughter, matlab हंसी, the sound and expression of amusement or joy. Stand-up comedy, matlab एकांगी हास्य, a form of entertainment where a comedian performs in front of an audience. Spontaneous, स्वतः होने वाला, happening or done in an unplanned or impulsive manner, खुद होने वाला, अचानक से. Wits, मतलब बुद्धि, the ability to think quickly and make good decisions. ह्यूमर मतलब हास्य, द क्वालिटी ऑफ बीइंग फनी और अम्यूजिंग. एक्स्ट्राऑर्डिनरी मतलब असाधारण. एक्सेप्शनल, रिमार्केबल और बियॉन्ड व्हाट इज यूजुअल और ऑर्डिनरी. नेक्स्ट, स्टीचेस मतलब खिलाड़ी. बर्स्ट ऑफ लाफ्टर और मोमेंट्स दैट लीव यू इन फिट्स ऑफ mirth. So friends, for similar content, please don't forget to subscribe the channel and share with your friends. Thank you so much.